Hey, I have a lot of bird feeders, as you can see. And I gotta tell you something. If there's one bird feeder that I'm always gonna have filled, and not just because it was a gift to me, but because hands down my favorite is the Bird Buddy. Now my sons gifted this to me. And at first I'm thinking, why are they spending so much money on a bird feeder that has a camera? And it's my favorite. It's given me so much joy seeing the red cardinals come by in memory of mom and dad, and the other birds, and even the goofy squirrels that find their way up a barbell post. But let me tell you something. If you're going to buy one bird feeder, the Bird Buddy is the best. Hands down.